Hi, I'm Marshall Cutchin with MidCurrent, and I'm here today with Josh Jenkins from Scientific Anglers, and Josh is going to talk about some of the new products that Scientific Anglers is coming out with this year.
Yep, so our biggest launch this year is what we're calling Absolute. It's a new leader in tippet program for us. Got a couple products here on the table. There's a few marketing stories we're telling with this. First and foremost, we've got a completely new material. We're seeing 30% gain in wet knot strength here. We prioritize wet knot strength because that's how this material is actually going to be used in the field. It's always going to be used on water. It's always going to have a knot in it, so that's our criteria for testing. We still use our patented cutter spool for our tippet, but we've upgraded our band. It's now made out of silicone. It's much easier on your tippet. I'd rather have my tippet running over a soft rubber than going through a metal grommet. And it's got a lot better legibility on the edge, so it's a lot easier to read what size and what application you're looking for. We also have a ton of new leader tapers that are specially designed for specific purposes, but we're also pretty proud of our new packaging here. So this is an example we've got here. It's a paper package, but this whole package is 100% biodegradable. So even this plastic window and the ink that we use to print on it, every piece of this packaging is biodegradable. So just trying to keep our streams and our landfills a little bit cleaner there. And we also have some of our larger saltwater tippet on this wrist spool that's very easy to dispense. We have a lot of guides down the Keys asking for something that's a lot easier to use in the boat, and so we have large sizes of fluorocarbon and nylon that comes on this wrist spool. For fly lines, we've got 3 big ones this year. First and foremost, we've taken our multi-purpose Trout Line Infinity and we've added it to Amplitude. So we previously had a smooth version of this. Now we have a textured, still 50% slicker than any line we ever made, but now we have a triple textured version available in Amplitude. We also have a double taper in Amplitude for this year. This is a great option for the angler that prefers a more traditional line but wants the most technology they can get packed into that line. And then finally we have a new line, Infinity Salt. And we basically took what we learned from our Trout Infinity, applied those same characteristics to a saltwater line, and created a new general purpose taper that is sort of on the lighter side of our traditional Grand Sam general purpose taper for saltwater. This line is available in Amplitude Smooth like here, and also in textured Amplitude.
Josh, are all these products available now?
They are, yep. They are shipping now, and they will be available throughout the 2020 season.
Cool. Yep. Maybe you could give us a quick view of the pricing on some of these.
Yep.
How much are the fly lines?
Yes, so Amplitude Smooth comes in at $99.99, so $100 for that. Amplitude is $129.99. All of our new nylon material is $6.99 for leaders and for tippet. Fluorocarbon is $14.99. And then the price of this will vary depending on the size. The large sizes of fluorocarbon are pretty expensive, so that'll vary.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it.
Thanks.